I meant to hit record before I jumped in this trade. As you can see, I lost the trade this morning. I was supposed to record that, but I didn't, because that was part of the group. They won, I lost because I got in late. But anyway, this is my trade idea right here. So like I said, every time I record, this is me off of my idea on what I feel like was about to happen. So since I didn't get to record when I first jumped in, I drew out this zone. I see that they had already came and tapped the 50% of the candle that I'm going by right here. It was almost a perfect tap. So when I put this line here, I didn't even see this tap until I zoomed in. I'm like, damn, that was a perfect tap. So damn near perfect tap right here off the 50%. So I felt like, and I seen this right here, and I pulled the trigger and I got in. So yeah, where we at? See if I can get that money back and then some that I lost. Because I was at what, 52? At 44s, I lost $8. So see if we can get that $8 back and then some. Back to gold, cause that was NASDAQ that did me dirty like that. So gotta come back and go back to gold to get my bread back. Come on, gold. And this is a new hourly candle too. Just noticed that. The scalper in me want to just take that $2, but I feel like we could possibly get this run right here though. At least to a target 2. Cause last night, as you can see, when I zoom out, this was from the other trade, from the other video, and that bit kept going. I wasn't in none of this. Of course, they pulled back. This is still that 50% line of that other bigger zone that I had previously that never broke, and it came almost to the T and bounced right back up here where we at now. So I'm trying to see if this could continue up, or at least go to the equal highs up here, and then my stops will be already in. So I want to put my stops in now, but I don't feel like I got enough room. But like you say, the goal is not to take a loss. So even if I have to put the stops in a little bit, goal is to not take a loss, basically. So got my stops in at 88 cents. See if they can stay in for me. I'm not gonna take no loss though. See, they took me out. So I ain't take no loss. That was a good move to do that. But I'm gonna stay on with y'all and see if we can maybe get a re-entry, hopefully. go to the 1 minute for that. And I see what did they do here. They created another spot for me to potentially trade off of. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this time. 50%. Okay, so we're gonna see if they're gonna go touch the 50%. It look like they going down there. I might get ready to enter. They is tapping the zone though, but I want to see if they want to hit that 50%. Matter of fact, did they already hit it? This is crazy. Did they already hit it? Let me zoom in. Damn, there's a fucking wick that looked like it already fucking did hit the fucking middle of that bitch. I might be able to enter right now. Look like they already did touch the 50%. I'm gonna go ahead and enter right now. My entry is right here. So back up. Straight my little tool. Okay, so my entry is right there. Yo, I'm back in, y'all, so we're gonna see. Oh, look like they about to invalidate this zone. What? No. Oh, they held it. They bitch ass did try to just do that though. And they did try to invalidate that zone though. To see how they turning around. And it go to 1 minute entry, get a more preciser entry. Gonna do gold. Yeah, NASDAQ did me dirty today, man. Come on, gold. You gotta redeem that. So I'm talking about supply and demand. I even took NAS today. Wouldn't even been down. You know what I'm saying? Wouldn't even took that loss. But I feel like we should get a good push with this with gold though. Because technically we still haven't took out yesterday's high, so that's what I'm looking at that. So We got yesterday's high. I'm pretty sure they might want to go for that. See, this was the zone, the 50% of the zone that I drew out, that I had yesterday. You know what I'm saying? That was 50% of that. And they came, tapped it the first time. I could have bought off of that and held it. I did get it right here, but I didn't hold it. Came back, tapped into it again. Exactly almost to the 50% of that zone again. And took off again. Now we down at that same level. But I feel like we should be going to take out this high. So I feel like I'm going to hold this. The scalper in me wants to take the money, but I want to hold it because I feel like we're definitely going to get past this target 5, just like we did yesterday. Just like we did for this trade. I should have held that, but yeah, as long as we can get it to go above, definitely go above the EMA. I feel like I want to put my stops in. I should. I just don't want it to come back down and try to take me out again. I hate that. Like, man, just go. But like I say, it's all about not taking a loss. So I'll go ahead and put my stops in there, so I can at least know that I'm not gonna lose. It's gotta be disciplined to keep doing that. I don't be wanting to do it. I don't never want to do it, but I gotta being disciplined to do it. And if I would have did it during the Nash trade, then I don't even know if they ever even gave me a chance to even fucking get in the profit. Like, that was bullshit. At least gold be giving me a chance to get in the profit to where I could put me some stops in where I don't have to take no loss. I'm trying to train myself to always put stops in so that I can prevent losses. Definitely gotta do it for this video shit. Gotta show you that I can do this shit. Yeah, that's a good play. I feel like I should have already been at a target one though. Not this thing too big. candle. See what's about to happen. Either way, not gonna take no loss. But I just needed you to go up, because I don't want you to take me out with that. I need you to go. Do your little bottom wick and take off. Flip back bullish. Come on, gold. Yeah, gold gonna try to do some bullshit. Just don't got that volume right now. There we go. Let's see if I can should I be able to put my stops up some more? I can lock in some more. Can I? I just need this candle to take off. I'll put it up under this one. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Lock in some more. Damn. Locked in $2. I locked in $2. Playing with little money, but soon this is gonna be big money. Playing with little money, but soon it's gonna be big money. Playing with little money, but soon it's gonna be big money. Playing with little money, but soon it's gonna be big money. Yeah, you put a beat behind that, dude. Playing with little money, but soon will be big money. Playing with little money, but soon will be big money. Damn, look at that. I'm gonna try to come back down to my shit. Come on, man. Dang. Playing with little money, but soon to be big money. Playing with little money, but soon to be big money. Damn, man, come on, gold, you is fucking bullshitting, bro. Ooh, hold on, baby. Don't tap me out. Come on, gold, don't tap me out, baby. Keep going. Go up, baby, go up. Come on now. You gotta push away. Next candle. 30-something seconds. Yes, push up, baby, push up. Need his next candle to take off, though. Gonna do. I'm talking about gold. Can I lock in some more? Like that. Can I lock in some more? Put it up under that one. Alright, as soon as I try to move it, you're gonna do that bullshit. Yeah, I was about to try to lock in at $3, but they look like they didn't. Let me just go back down to where I was at. Yeah, I'm back down to where I was at. They look like they, as soon as I try to move it, they look like they was gonna try to go there. Let me wait for it to get some more space. They trying to bullshit. Cause I don't want them to take me out. I know as soon as I try to move it, that's how they do. But I feel like I should be able to take it there. Yeah, take it there. Damn, locked in $3. Come on, gold, keep going. It's like whatever happens, happens now. Fuck it. I don't want them to take me out though. I need this thing to keep going. I just don't want it to be a loss, but I don't want it to be a small win either. Come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Push away, push away. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I should lock in some more, but like I said, I don't want to trail it too close. But I could lock in some more. I just don't like being in the middle of the candle trying to lock in. But let me see if I can lock $4 in. Damn, I locked $4 in. $4 is locked in. Keep going, gold. $4 is locked in, but I needed to keep going. Come on, baby. Target 1 hit too, by the way. Come on, baby, keep going. That's what I'm talking about. See if I can lock in a 5. I guess I see my trading might be evolving now, because it's like I never used to really trade like this, as far as like putting them stops in, try to lock in the money type shit. But you should always do that shit, because that prevents losses. Like, it's all about not losing. Even if you won small, you didn't lose shit. So if I keep that mindset and keep that discipline to keep doing it, bro, I can cut out a lot of these losses. Like that stupid loss that happened with NASDAQ. I should have been cut it, really. Shouldn't even let it get that far. But I'm gonna get it back. I'm getting it back now. I'm locked in $4 of it right now. Shit. Come on, baby. Keep pushing. Got 3 seconds. 2. Going for another candle. What we gonna do? What you gonna do, gold? If you can get a good push off of this candle, I'm definitely moving my stops up under that candle. Oh man. Come on. Wake up, wake up. Turn green. You know what I'm saying? Like flip back bullish. Okay. I'm good. I'm good where I'm at. Come on. Go up. Yeah, go back up. Yeah, go back up. Yes, sir. Go back up. Come on. As long as it push away. 5. Go back to 6. You know what I'm saying? When you see that, you know it's going back up. Just don't want to be too close to where they're at. You know what I'm saying? That's why, okay, I'm not gonna move it down. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna lock in, keep that 4 locked in. But as long as they stay away from my stop loss and go, man, we should be good to be able to keep trailing this thing. I just hated for it to create a red candle like that. Like for them to try to push so deep. You know what I'm saying? Like go up. Fuck that shit. Like this shit need to wick to the bottom and turn fucking green and go. But see, it's like it's still time to do it because it got 3 minutes left on this candle, but it look like it's doing because that money going up. I wanted to be able to trail it under that candle, but they had pushed too far down, so I ain't gonna be able to do it. I gotta leave my stops where they at. So until they push up more than that, I ain't gonna be able to move it. Yeah, I need this candle to flip green. Look like they might be doing it. Look, come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Flip green. I still don't trust it because, like I say, we're in the middle of this candle doing what it's doing, so I'm not gonna touch my stops yet because, like I say, we're in the middle of it doing what it's doing, and it might just try to turn back red and all that bullshit. So until that bitch fully go up there and it's green and it's up there, I'm not gonna touch my stops yet. Yeah, come on, baby. That's why we say in the middle of this candle. Like I like that it's trying to stay up there as far as now, like what it's doing. But as you say, like I say, in the middle of it, of this candle printing, that tick still going, it could easily start dropping back red like it's trying to do now. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't wanna. You gotta see how it finishes and plays out, and then what that next candle do. That next candle feel like, okay, the way that this candle is doing right now, that next candle should take off. But see how it's doing. That's why you don't wanna fuck with them stops yet, man. Let that shit breathe. And they playing with it. Okay, got a minute left. Yeah, let's go. Come on, see. How you see how that volume, how they try to jump up and then try to jump back down? No, but you need to be going up. You gonna jump. Could have locked in at 5, but I really want to try to lock in that target 1. I feel like that target 1 was too far. I feel like we should have already hit a target 1. Okay, we got 30 some seconds. 30 seconds to this candle. I think I might try to lock it in some more. Fuck it. I just would rather the candle finish printing and then another candle take off, and then I can put my stops like up here past that target 1, which I feel like should have been at the target 1. 2, 1. stops up. I think it's gonna try to make a bottom wick and then go. Go ahead and try to lock it in. Fuck it. Doing that bullshit again. Doing that bullshit again. Man, stop playing. Okay, last time it did it a couple times and then it worked. Come on now. Wow, this is fucking ridiculous. Don't tell me. Come on, bitch. System error my fucking ass, bitch. Y'all bullshitting. See, I'm not gonna let me lock this money in. Gotta log out, guys. I'm gonna sign back in. This bullshit. Yeah, y'all see what I'm fucking with, so. But it's gonna work this time. But damn, that shit already, it's not, I gotta do it again though. See? Dumb shit. Stupid shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, just, you could have fucking, I mean, not even wanting to move it this time. I locked in 560, which I'm going back for that same 560. In fact, locking in more this time since you want to play with me. 577 locked in. Punk ass shit when I do that. That's one thing I don't like about it. Hey, sometimes you gotta worry about that. So when you took me out, tread too close. I feel like we still finna go, but you gonna be seeing me live doing this shit. Like, okay, bam. And I don't really have to put a 50% spot because this right here, it's already good. Yeah, damn, it already left me. I don't want to just jump in randomly. Yeah, I didn't want it to, I could, because I didn't want it to take me out anyway, and I know it's going to still go. Matter of fact, this is bad. It's kind of a breakout though. I'm trying to give myself an excuse to get in and shit. But it is a breakout though right here. And like I say, I feel like it's still gonna go. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm not, this is just some random shit. I'm breaking what the fuck I'm supposed to be doing, but yeah, this is some random me getting back in. It's going against all my rules, and I'm actually recording this stupid shit. But I'm being transparent. I got back in off of this, breaking that. So if you want to know my reasoning, I know it's probably stupid reason, but it really was because this zone got hit, and so my entry should have been somewhere like down here. I'd have been in profit already, but I'm late as fuck on that shit. That's because I wasn't supposed to get took out. I didn't mean to trail it that close, but See, if my entry was down here after this, as soon as it tapped that, I'd have been in like down here, so I'd have had a way better entry than was, and I'd have been in profit like right now. So technically, it's still technically a good trade, but I kind of got in off. It's supposed to be breaking this, and then it really. So my entry should have been down here, but my entry really should have been down here. Yeah, don't do what I just did though. Anybody who watches this video, don't do that. What I just did. I should have just been walking away with what I had already did. You know what I'm saying? But I do feel that this is going to keep going. I already hit the target 1. It's about to hit the target 2. Target 2 smash right there from where the original entry was. It's not the original entry now, but target 2, see? Target 2 smash from the original entry. But let's see if we can continue to get this push. It's getting to that spot where it could have a reaction what it's already doing right now. I just left that here, but in my original entry, my entry now, here. See what's going on, man. Shouldn't have got back in, but where I was at, like $52. Like I said, gold, give me my money back that I lost from Nas at least. Yeah, like I say, don't ever do this. Like, this is going against. It shouldn't be part of your rules. So it's like I'm going against my rules and going against the discipline of me walking away. But this right here can get me back where I was at least. If I get out now, I should get out now. Damn, yeah. I know it could be a reaction that's about to happen. Some type of liquidity grab. It could, but it could keep fucking going too. Which I wanted to keep going. I'd rather, instead of getting out, I'd rather move my fucking stops in and try to see. that was, but yeah, damn, come on. Come on, what you doing? Yeah, I just got out of it because I just seen them looking like they about to come back and put me back in drawdown, so I just got out. I think I'm gonna walk away. I'll come back with the next one, man. I'm almost back to where I was at, but yeah, we gonna keep this grind. We're gonna keep this going. It still might go, but yeah, I'm gone, y'all.